Let's talk about how fix dev error in BlackOps. Campaign freeze fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But fear not, fellow operators. We're diving deep into the trenches of this notorious dev error sod, uncovering proven strategies and step-by-step solutions to get your BlackOps campaign running smoothly again. Prepare to reclaim your mission and conquer those freezes, because today we fight back.
This is often the first line of defense against corrupted data. Head into your game launcher, whether it's Battle, Steam, or your console's game management settings, then find the Verify Integrity or Repair Game option. This process scans your BlackOps installation for any missing or damaged files and replaces them, which can often resolve those pesky campaign freezes. It's like a quick health check for your game, and it works surprisingly often.
Outdated graphics, drivers, or an older operating system can be major culprits for game instability. Make sure your drivers are the latest version, directly from NVIDIA or AN's website, and that your Windows or console system software is fully updated. A simple driver update can dramatically improve compatibility and performance, potentially banishing dev error stud for good. Don't skip this crucial step for stable gameplay. Sometimes your system might just be struggling to keep up with BlackOps, his demanding visuals. Try lowering your in-game graphics settings, especially texture quality, shadow details, and ray tracing. If enabled, experiment with turning off features like the sync or reducing the overall resolution. Finding that sweet spot where performance meets visual fidelity can prevent your campaign from hitting those freezing roadblocks. For console players, especially, a cluttered system catch your fragmented database can lead to performance hiccups and errors. On PlayStation, put into safe mode and select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database for Xbox. A full power cycle and clearing persistent storage can work wonders. This maintenance can free up resources and optimize your system, offering a fresh start for your BlackOps campaign and hopefully an end to dev errors time.